reflection and refraction part 2. Here is our questions. Question number 6. Which of following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in dictionary? Option A, convex lens of focal length 50 cm. Option B, concave lens of focal length 50 cm. Option C, convex lens of focal length 5 cm. Option D, concave lens of focal length 5 cm. Here we use magnifying lens which magnify letters. For magnifying letter we will use convex lens. Option A and option C may be correct. Both has convex lens. Here focal length is one of focal length 50 cm and second is 5 cm. Here we will use a convex lens of 5 cm because if lens has less focal length then it will magnify more. Like this is lens of minimum focal length, then it will magnify letters more and more. Next question. Question number 7. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. What should be the range of distance of object from mirror? What is the nature of image? Is image larger or smaller than object? Draw ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. We will draw ray diagram for concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. We have to find erect image in concave mirror. Let's draw. Here is our concave mirror. Concave mirror, which is this is focus point and this is C, curvature of. We have to find erect image in concave mirror. Only one position to find, this is point P, to find erect image. If object is placed between focus and pole, then we will find erect image. We have to place object here. We have to draw object like this. No. If we have this type of object and light goes parallel to the principal axis, will be reflected from focus, and if light goes from center of curvature, it will reflect from same point. Then lights appear to meet behind the mirror. Here we find our image. A dash, B dash. Object is A and B. We Question is focal length 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. What should be the range of distance? If we have focal length 15 centimeter, then range of object will be 15 centimeter. Range of object will be 15 centimeter from the pole. And next part of question is, what is the nature of image? Nature of image will be erect and virtual. Sorry, nature of image will be virtual. Is the image larger or smaller than object? Image will be larger than object. Image will be larger than object. Okay. And next question is question number 8. Name the type of mirror used in the following situations: headlights of a car, side rear view mirror of a vehicle, and third is solar furnace. Headlight of a car, we will use concave mirror for headlight of a car, because if we place a LED light or a bulb here on the focus of mirror, then light goes from this will be reflected parallel to the principal axis. By reflecting mirror, light goes parallel, then beam of light can travel a long distance, due to which we will use concave mirror for headlight of a car. Side rear view mirror of a vehicle, for side rear view of a vehicle we will use convex lens, because convex lens can cover a large area. Convex mirror if we place object anywhere in front of convex lens, then image will form behind the mirror and image will be virtual image, due to which it can cover a large area. If convex mirror cover a large area, then driver can see a large area of traffic, due to which we will use convex lens for rear view mirror. Third is solar furnace. For solar furnace we will use same mirror as headlight of a car, concave mirror, because if lights are coming parallel to the principal axis, then it will be reflected through the focus of that mirror. Then we can find more heat at the focus. We will use concave mirror for solar furnace. Next question. Here are our questions. Question number 9. One half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of object? Verify your answer experimentally. Explain your observations. We have to draw ray diagram for this. Here is convex lens. This is focus 1, 2f1, and here is f2, here is 2f2. If we cover first half, upper half of lens with black paper, then it will be like this. If we put an object here, light goes from lower half of the object, lower half of the lens, and it will reflected through this, like this. Reflected like this. Image will form on the other side of the lens. Hence we can form a complete image if we cover half of the lens with a black paper, either first half or second half. In case 1, we covered lens first half part of lens. In case 2, we will cover second half, like this. This is our lens, and second half part will be covered like this by black paper. If we put object here, light goes parallel, will be reflected from focus, and light goes through this, will reflected like this. We will form image here. We will form a complete image. Either we cover first half or second half of lens by a black paper. Next question. Question number 10. It is a numerical type question. An object 5 centimeter is in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. Converging lens means convex lens. It converges light. Hence, convex lens is called converging lens. Of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. We have to draw ray diagram. Focal length is 25 centimeter, and we have to put object in front of lens. New page. Here is a convex lens. Of focal length 25 centimeter, f1, f2, sorry 2f1. Here is f2. Here is 2f2. Focal length is 25 centimeter. F equal to 25 centimeter, and height of object is h naught is 5 centimeter. Sorry, focal length, here is focal length. We will check focal length. Focal length is 10 centimeter, and distance of object is 25 centimeter. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Sorry for this. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Focal length will be 10 centimeter plus 10, and h naught will be 5 centimeter, and u will be u equal to minus 25 centimeter, because object will be in first half. Here is our object. This length will be 25 centimeter. And we will use lens formula for solving this question. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. To find V, we will use this formula. V is distance of image from the lens. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U minus 25 equal to 1 upon F. F is 10. 1 upon V plus 1 upon 25 equal to 1 upon 10. 1 upon V equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 25. 1 upon V equal to, we will take LCM of 10 and 25. LCM will be 100. Here will be 10 minus 4. This will be equal to 6 by 100. We will reduce this like 3 2 6, 50 2 100. 1 upon V equal to 3 by 50. We will take reciprocal of this. V equal to 50 by 3. Here answer will be 50 by 3. 50 we can write like for this 50 by 3, 16.66 centimeter. Then what is the distance of image from lens will be 16 point. This will be between f1 and f2 and 2f2. This length will be 10 centimeter and this length will be 20 centimeter. Then object will be here at 16.6 centimeter from the lens. We can draw ray diagram for this. If light goes parallel to this, will reflect from focus 1 and if a ray of light goes from center of optical center, will reflect it like this. We can form image here, exactly here, not here. This is a complete solution for question number 10.